Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Here you can see people are praying salah while the flight is in the air, and one by one they are taking their time and they are praying as it is the prayer time while they are on the flight. Subhanallah, it's looking so fantastic. Tabarakallah. My brothers and sisters, whenever it's the time of prayer, pray. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make your life easy. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, As-salatu miftahul jannah. Salah, the prayer, is the key to paradise. So if you want paradise in the hereafter, in your everlasting life, then pray your salah on time. Don't be lazy. Wake up, make wudu and pray. And during traveling, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made prayer even easier. You can just shorten your prayer. And if you don't have water, you can do tayammum. Islam is so amazing. Islam makes our life easy. Islam organizes us. Islam helps us to be focused. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants us to be successful. He made it compulsory in the adhan to say, Hayya ala salah, Hayya ala falah. Come to salah, come to prayer. So when you are praying, you are becoming successful. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will open your doors. Allah will guarantee the success that you are looking for.
Please support our dawah works at www.supportdawah.com.